So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And after a long days, I had started and I am trying to continue this series because I bought the new pen tablet because there were many difficulties to write the programs and means to explain through the PPT. So I bought the pen tablet. So I will try to continue this series per day. So the question is last stone weight. It's an easy level question of a lead code. So let's read it. You have given an array of integers, stones, where stones I is the weight of ith stone. We are playing a game with the stones. On each turn, we choose the heaviest two stones and smash them together. Means if there is an array, then we have to choose the largest two elements from that array, and the suppose the heaviest two stones have weight x and y, with x is smaller and equals to the y. The result of this mash is if x is equals to y, both stones are destroyed, and x is not equals to y, then the stones of weight is destroyed, and the stones of weight y has a new weight y minus x. So at the end of the game, there is at most one stone left, okay, and return the weight of the last remaining stone. Okay, so guys, here first we have first we have to uh, find out uh, the two elements that are the greatest in the array. So here we are using the two means here we are using the priority queues. Through priority queues we are finding out the values of that, means we are finding out those heaviest two stones that are uh, heaviest two stones. So let's go on the tab, open board. Okay, so we know if we are taking the example कि भाई 2 7, this is the first case. 2 7. So if this is an example, then we have to create here the tree, not the tree means priority trees. So first it here means why we are using here priority queues. The reason is because through the priority queues we can remove those two heaviest means the two largest elements from the array. Means इन द प्रायोरिटी क्यूज में कैसा होता है कि जो लार्जेस्ट एलिमेंट है वो रूट नोड में आता है. सो इट इज एन रूट नोड फॉर दैट, एंड द कंडीशन विल बी फॉर दिस is here 4, here 7, 1, and here so as we know कि first we are giving the conditions of a removal to the 8. So we will popping out the 8 outside, and after that if the this is the first element or the first element we are popping out from the binary not the priority trees or the priority queues. And priority queues में the priority is defined, actually means defined from first only, कि जो ज्यादा बड़ा होगा उसकी priority as compared to the smaller element will be greater. So So we will just popping out or removing the two elements that are the greatest one in the array or in the in the priority queues. So first we will remove 8 and second we will remove 7. After that, mm, if we are removing here 7, then first means if we are removing here 8, then first will be 8, then 4. डाउन हिपिफिकेशन होगा यहाँ पे गाइस एंड फर्स्ट 4 then 1 यहाँ पे 7. As we know these are this doesn't satisfies the condition. So as we know priority queues में जो रूट नोड होता है वो सबसे ग्रेटर होता है देन द एनी अदर एलिमेंट ऑफ द लेफ्ट सब ट्री और द राइट सब ट्री इन द प्रायोरिटी ट्रीज. सो हियर वी आर कन्वर्टिंग कि 7 पहले आएगा गाइस यहाँ पे एंड देन 4 एंड देन 1. वी आर टेकिंग हियर नेक्स्ट पेज कि 7 पहले देन 4 then 1 then 2. Here will be 1. And if we are talking about time complexity, then we are knowing कि we are removing the two topest element. We are removing removing the topest the two top element. So through the collision, there will be the time and complexity that will be log n. We are removing the two times. So if we are removing the n time log n, so there will be uh, n log n. So this will be the complexity, time and space, time and time complexity. So let's go on the question. Mm, okay, we are here on the question, and this is a solution for this. Uh, so what I had done here, so just I'm going to tell you. Okay, first I had used here the priority queues and the starting and the beginning of the and I as I said there will be the three conditions. The first, the priority queues, or we are determining it by PQs. We are determined by PQs here that are these PQs. So these PQs will be greater than the size of a PQs, or the PQs can be greater than 1 or not equals to 0 or the 0. If it is 0, then I think then if it is 0, then we have to return it 0. And the first condition will be keep mm, the first condition will be the a PQ means that is a priority queues should be greater than 1. Then there will be the two conditions. There will be the two conditions that are as I said, we will popping up the first topmost element, that are these the first element, and then popping up the second element, that is P2. and the second last. And here we are using one algorithm, that is we are finding out the absolute value, and after that absolute value, that is the the first maximum element minus the second maximum element. And after that we are using the last condition here कि भाई, mm, if the priority queues or the size of a PQ is not equals to zero, then what we will return, that we will return zero. So this is the solution for this. So thanks guys.